Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title of this channel, whoa, by the title of this video, that I will be showing you guys an alternative way of lash extension. Ever since I found out about this brand, guys, I basically stopped getting lash extension because lash extension are so freaking expensive. It's like around 180 to like 2 something, and refills is like freaking 80 bucks to 100 bucks, to be honest, depending like what style you guys want to get, how long you guys want it, the curls and stuff. So yeah, but I know I'm definitely saving a lot of money by using this. So you guys probably heard of this. This is called Lashify. I found them on Instagram, and I was watching like one of their live video, and I was like, this is easy. It seems like something I could do. And then people say it lasts about a week, so I was like, okay, let me get myself one and try it out. And I actually got this for like 120, I believe, because it was like around Christmas time that I bought this, and they were having like a Christmas sale for this kit. It's called like the control kit, where it's like for beginners. So I'm gonna open it for you guys to see what's inside. So when you open it, there's a big mirror right here, and then you guys have the glue right here. It's like double-sided. One is the white side and one is the black side, and there's a wand right here, and this is to seal the lashes. And then here are 2 lashes that you get to choose. I chose the 12mm for my inner corner, and then this one, which I lost, the black thingy, like the holder, but I have the lashes because I washed it. But this I think I got like a 14mm. By the way, this wand right here, usually some people use both sides, but I see some people use just like the black side. I guess it's up to you, whatever preference you guys will like. But yeah, as you guys can see, I have the lashes on right now. By the way, there is a dupe, which is the Kiss for Scabbard, that I've been seeing all over TikTok. So let me know if you guys want me to do a review on that and see if it's actually a dupe to the Lashify. Some people say that Lashify lasts for them like probably like a week, but mine lasts about to 2 weeks, because it depends on how well you take care of them and you don't get a lot of water in your eyes. Basically, how when you get lash extension, they be like, don't try to get water in your eyes too much. So it all depends on how well you take care of them. The better you take care of them, the longer they will last. So the longest I had mine on was for 2 weeks. But anyways, I'm talking too much, so let's just jump right into this video. Alright guys, so I zoomed you guys in, and as you guys can see, this is me without lashes. And you guys could see like I have no lashes at all. Like I had a little tiny bit, but it's not like long and curved and all that. Here are some lashes from before that I used, and I love how it's reusable. Some people say it is not, but it depends on how you take care of your lashes and how you take the lashes off from your eyes, because if you don't be really careful or gentle with it, you could pull out the lash hair and then you won't be able to reuse it. And when you wash it, it's like washing your false lashes. Alright, so I hope you guys could see, but I will be using the black side of the wand, of the tube wand. What do you guys call it? You guys see how it almost looked like a mascara wand, but this is really tiny and small. So when you apply this, you want to apply just a very thin layer. Do not apply this like a mascara. Now I'm gonna let that dry. So when the first layer is a bit dry and tacky, I'm going to apply a second layer, just because I want the lashes to last a bit longer. And now we're just gonna let that get a bit tacky. So I'm going to do the longest lash, like 2 or 3, and then in the inner corner I'm gonna use like the shortest lash, because I like it more of like a cat eye look. As you guys can see, I pick up a lash right here, and I'm gonna use the Whisper Light flexible bond, and you just put a thin layer just like that. Hopefully you guys could see. So I'm actually filming from my phone, so I'm just gonna look at my phone camera and just hope you guys could see. You guys see how I just apply that and it just stick onto my natural lashes? That's what you want. Alright, so I'm gonna do it like 1 or 2 more times just in case you guys didn't see it. So I have the lash right here, and then a thin layer. This will be easier if you were looking down into the mirror, but I'm looking up just so you guys can see. So that's a second one on. I will probably do one more long one and then short towards my inner corner. So the lash and then thin, oops, thin layer. And then you just place it right next to it. Just like that. You guys saw how easy that was. Might as well just show you guys how I finished doing this eye. Alright, so now I'm taking a bit shorter than what I was using at first for my outer corner. I mean my inner corner. Thin layer and then apply. Just like that. I'm going to use one more thin layer. Just like that. Very easy and simple. So you guys could leave it like this, but I usually like to stack them. So I'm just gonna see where I want to stack. Probably like one right here because there's a little bit of a gap right there. So thin layer. Alright, so I said I was going to do it right here because of the gap. So now you guys don't see that gap anymore because I fill it in. And then maybe one right here. Thin layer right here. So you guys see it looks a bit fuller. I'm thinking if I want to add one more right here, but I'm not sure. Actually, you know what? I think I'm happy with how it looks. Okay, so once you guys are satisfied and happy with how your lashes look, you guys want to take the wand and then clamp your lashes all together with your natural lashes like this, just to make sure they stick together, you know. So once you guys have finished clamping the lashes together, you're gonna take this and seal everything together, and this also remove the residue as well, like the tackiness. And I also like how it have that bold at the end because I could just work it like this near my lash line. And then you're all set. And now we're gonna move on to the other eye. Alright guys, so both eyes are done and I freaking love it. Look at that. Let me just look down so you guys could see how it looks on the top. Now let me just look up so you guys could see how it looks on the bottom. And it doesn't even irritate my eyes, so that's why I freaking love Lashify, because you know how some lashes, they irritate your eye. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys actually want me to do the review on the Kiss for Mascara that I was mentioning earlier in my intro. So I'll probably do that for you guys if you guys want me to. And I don't know, maybe I do like one side Lashify and one side the Kiss for Mascara, and then compare both of them and then see which one lasts longer. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You know that you are in existence 'cause you hold a crown.